Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today, we are going to go into our math workbook and we are going to look at lesson 6-1. We are going to practice counting to 30 using our 20s, which means we would use 20 dots or 20 of an object, maybe like cubes or Cheerios or pennies. You can use any of those things to practice counting to 20. Today, in our workbook, we have pictures of cubes, counting cubes, and we're going to see how they are put into rows of 10 and how to build on from there, like we've been doing with our days in school. So let's get started, counting to 30. So friends, in our book, we see 2 rows of cubes. Each row of cubes have 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the top row. So let's go ahead and trace the top row. You can choose any color you like. I'm going to trace the whole top row like this, like a big rectangle, because that's an easy way for me to see one group of 10, 1 10, a 10 and 0 ones. Now, because these 2 rows are the same length, I know there are 10 cubes in this bottom row as well, but we can count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to choose a different color and I'm going to make a rectangle around this row as well. Now I have 2 10s. 2 10s and 0 1s is 20. 10, 20. Now if I want to count on and make another number greater than 20, I can do that by just adding more cubes. Let's look at this example below. I see 1 box, and if I put a circle inside, it'll look like one of these cubes. 2 boxes, 3 boxes. So I have 3 extra boxes. If I count on, I can say 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's why we see 21, 22, and 23 in the little cloud. 21 belongs to this little boxy cube. 22 belongs to this little boxy cube. And 23 belongs to this little boxy cube. So this is how we count on 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Boys and girls, why couldn't I say 10, 20, 30? That's right, because there are only 3 cubes right here. It's not another whole row. If I had another whole row of 10, then I could say 10, 20, 30. But I don't have a full row of 10 yet. I am learning how to count on. So that's why we say 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's practice some more. This time, for number 2, let's try to build 21 cubes. Okay, 21 cubes. So I know this is a row of 10. So I'm going to box it with a color. And I'm going to label it 10. All right? Now I know this is also a row of 10. So I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to box it. And now since this is my second row of 10, it's 1 10, 2 10s, 2 10s, 0 1s. So I have 10, 20. But I need to make the number 21. So how many cubes should I draw right here? I have 10, 20. I need to make 21. That's right, I only need to draw 1 cube. So if I have 10, 20, and 1, then I know all together It is 21. Let's put a little cloud around that. Good job, friends. Great job counting on. Okay, let's continue. This time, we're going to look at number 3, and our number is 26. We need to make 26. So let's box up the rows of 10 and then count on. So boxing up the top row, and I know the top row is 10, so I label it 10. Box up the bottom row. I know it's another row of 10, so that's 2 10s, which is 20. Now the number was 26. How many extra cubes do I need to draw if I want 26? 6, that's right, because I have 10, 20, now I have 21, 22, draw with me, 23, 24, 25, 26. I put 6 more cubes on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my number that I just built is 26, and you just built 26 too. That's right. We keep counting up and up. Let's turn the page and keep practicing. This time we're going to use objects. Look at the little dog bones. This little doggy must be really hungry if he wants to eat all those treats. So I'm looking that there are 2 rows of dog bones. So what do you think that means, friends? How many bones do you think are on the top row? Did you say 10? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Let's box up that row so we can see quickly that we have 10 on the top. Good job. So what do you think about the bottom row? How many do you think are in the bottom row? 10 again. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're right. So look, I have 2 rows of 10. What does that mean? I have 10, and if I have 2 rows, that means I have 2 10s, so I have 20 altogether. 10, 20. Now the first number I want to make is 22. How many extra bones do I need to draw? I have 10, I have 20, but now I need 22. That's right, I need to draw 2 bones. So how do we draw a bone? It's really fun. You just go like a backwards 3, curvy curve, and then you make a little line, and then make a regular 3. There's a little dog bone, but I need 22. So I have 10, 21, but now I need 22. So do I need to draw another bone? Yes, I do. So let's practice a backwards 3, line, and then a regular 3. 1, 2. So now I have 10, 20, 21, 22. Yay! We just built the number 22. Great job, friends. All right, let's take a look at number 2. So I know that this top row is 10 because I counted on my first example. So let's box up the top row. That's 10. And let's label it 10. And then let's box up the bottom row. We know that's another group of 10 right down here. And that's 2 10s, so 20. But the number I want to make this time is 24. So how many bones do I need to draw now? I have 10, I have 20. I want to make the number 24. That's right, I need 4 bones. Let's draw the bones. 1, 2, 3, just try your best, and 4. Good job. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We just built 24. That's right. Let's stop and review really quickly. Okay, I got 22 in number 1 because I had 1 row of 10 and then I had 2 rows of 10. So this is why we have 2 in this tens place. Then I had 1, 2 bones. 1, 2, and that's why there's a 2 here in the ones place. Good job, friends. Let's talk about this one we just did. We have 10, we have 20. So that's 2 in the tens place because there are 2 tens. Then I had 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And that's why there's a 4 here in the ones place. Okay? That's always good to do a quick check. Let's see if we can do number 3 and really understand what we're doing. So the top row has 10. I know it has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Box the top row of 10. We group them together. 10. Label it. Now, box the bottom row. We know this is 10 as well. 10 in the bottom row. Label it, but it's the second 10, so it's 2 tens. 10, 20, because we are counting on. Now, we're going to make the number 29 right before 30. 29. So if I have 20, how many extra bones do I need to draw? 9, that's right. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Remember, if the video goes too fast, you can always pause. 4. See how I'm labeling everything? This way I keep my thought. 5. 6 bones. 7 bones. 8 bones. 9 bones, because my number that I'm building right now is 29. Excellent. Because we have 1, 2 tens, like in the tens place, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the ones place. Great job, boys and girls. Did you know that if I added 1 more bone, I would no longer have bones by themselves, but I'd have them in the long row, and that would be another group of 10? Then I would have 3 tens. That would be 10, 20, 30. Let's practice with our calendar we just made last week. So if you can grab your calendar, your kitty calendar that you made, we can practice counting to 30 together. We can see where the tens are, and we can see the patterns. All right, so let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a group of 10. A 10 and 0 ones. 1 and 1 10 and 1 in the ones place is 11. So we'll count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's another 10. 2 tens this time. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 3 tens. Let's circle the tens. Get your yellow crayon, and here's 1 10, 2 tens, and 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. Great job, friends. Today we practiced counting to 30.